Continue. Good. Wanted to do this anonymously. Last night I think I went to bed at about half past 1. Only to wake up at about what time? A bit after 3 maybe, to hear my mother walking around upstairs in a distressed way because my neighbor decided to have a lot of his mates in to have what can only be described as a noise-making session that I recorded on a dictation device, and it went on for 2 hours, 49 minutes and 2 seconds. And I know this because I was awake for most of it, as I was concerned for my mother because she was unhappy about it. And since that these are very ignorant people, that pretty much probably don't care what they're doing or have any consideration for any other people, this is what you have to listen to. I don't know how well you can hear that now. Let's see how far we can go on. See what to do next. See? So this is at around, I'd say, 20 to 4 in the morning. If you go on a little further, oh, we're slowly going forward. Yeah. So this is after about 20 minutes. You hear it? So, we'll go on. We're hitting the 2 hour 30 mark here. Go on a little further. The 2 hour mark, baby. Still going. So go down a little further, past the 2 hour mark to the 1 hour mark. Only 1 hour 40 minutes. But I don't know whether you can hear that, but we certainly could. And I can only imagine it's around Christmas time, as you know, and it's New Year's Eve today. And I can only imagine that they did this stupid act because we had our family gathering around 4 or 5 people, 3 at the most, one night, and that was only 3 nights of just playing a bit of poker and not even listening to music, actually just talking. And this is what you get. So it's clocked now. Actually take a clock there. But, I don't know if I'll go any further. We're in the last hour now. The last 14 minutes. I don't know what we might hear now. Still pretty much here on clock. Yeah. Pretty much still here on clock there. There's a 40-minute mark here now. That's good. So we show up near what, 5, maybe half 5 in the morning. I think I heard the fucking idiots leaving at about 6. Bulldogs, I'd say. I'm in their 20s maybe. Same age myself, but that's all they can think to do on a Friday night. I would suggest to them that they actually go out instead of doing that, because it would be beneficial to them. Yeah, they might actually meet someone instead of doing that. Clapping like invalids in an old folks home. No offense. But yeah, don't be disrespectful to anyone. It doesn't deserve it, of course. That's that. Happy New Year, everybody.